Hey there, and welcome. Today, we've got a highly interactive explainer lined up for you. And honestly, I'm so excited to get started. Get ready because we're going on an official mission to become master word detectives. We're going to hunt for clues and learn the secret sounds hidden deep inside everyday words. And hey, you aren't just going to sit and listen today, right? Nope, you're going to move, you're going to tap, and you'll be solving reading puzzles right along with me. Let's do this.
Okay, let's dive right into this. As word detectives, our main job is to listen really closely. You see, words are basically like giant puzzles made up of tiny pieces, and if we can just figure out what those pieces sound like, we can literally read absolutely anything. I want you to actively join the hunt today. So what do you say? Can you find the secret sounds hiding inside everyday words?
Here is your official detectives mission briefing for today. First up, mission, word detectives. Then we'll look at the ache and all families, followed by playing the aim game. After that, it's the and family band, and finally, taking it to the bank. All right, let's kick things off with section 1, mission, word detectives. This is your interactive training module. Moving right along to section 2, the ache and all families. We're investigating our first 2 sounds.
Now, what's really interesting here is our very first core building block, the ache family. This is a secret sound ending with a long A sound, exactly like you hear in the word cake. Let's imagine a huge, beautiful birthday cake. I want you to literally tap out the sounds with me right now. Go ahead. Tap one finger for the first sound, k. Now tap another finger for our secret family sound, ache. Now let's push them together to blend it. K, ache, cake. Amazing. Now take a giant deep breath and let's pretend to blow out the candles on that cake together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. Okay, let's act out a few more words in this ache family. We're going to rhythmically read them and do the actions together. You ready? First, bake. Pretend to stir a big bowl of batter. Next, quake. Wiggle your whole body like a massive earthquake. And wake. Rub your eyes and give a big morning stretch. Fantastic detective work so far, guys.
So let's transition over to the second family of our briefing. This is the all family. It's a really distinct secret sound found in words that rhyme with tall and fall.
And this brilliantly illustrates how we can build a brand new word with this sound. Think of a super bouncy ball. Let's tap it out with our fingers again. Tap for ba, tap for all. Now push them together. Ba, all. Ball. Really great job.
Now let's call out a few more words from our list and do the physical actions together. First up, tall. Stand up on your tiptoes and reach as absolutely high as you can. Next, small. Curl up into a tiny little ball right there on the ground. And fall. Slowly crouch all the way down to the floor.
Actually, hold on a second, detectives. Before we move on, I need everyone to just bounce around the room like a ball. Seriously, get up and jump. Boing, boing, boing. Let's get all that extra energy out. Phew, man, great jumping. Congratulations on your progress so far. We're crushing this mission.
All right, moving into section 3, playing the aim game, rolling the dice on our third sound.
Let's isolate this new sound so we clearly understand exactly what we're listening for next. The aim family is characterized by a long A followed by an M sound. Think of words like game. I want you to picture the box of your absolute favorite board game. Got it? Now get your tapping fingers ready. Tap for G. Tap for game. Now blend them together. Game. Game. Now let's pretend to vigorously shake some dice in our hands. Shake, shake, shake. Throw. Let's treat some of these words like a fun rhythmic chant. Stand up, get ready, and let's go. Flame. Wiggle your fingers upward like a blazing fire. Fame. Strike a giant superstar pose. Came. Take a big walk forward right toward me. Keep that energy high, detectives. You're doing amazing. Which brings us to section 4, the and family band, marching to a new beat.
Let's take a look at the and family. So the crucial point here is how this secret sound perfectly blends an A, an N, and a D sound all together into one smooth piece. Everyone, lift up and look at your own hand right now.
Let's tap this one out together. Tap for H, tap for and. Push them together. H, and, hand.
Now take that hand and give a big, energetic wave hello to the screen. Hello!
Watch closely as we march through these next words, because some of them actually have double meanings. First, stand. Jump up quickly. Next, sand. Pretend to scoop up some sand at the beach. Now let's do sand again, but this time wiggle your toes like they're literally in the sand. And band. Pretend to play a big drum. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome job. Let's move to section 5 and see how this builds into our final segment, taking it to the bank, cashing in our final secret sound. We're taking all of our newly learned detective skills straight to the bank. This is the Ank family. It's a secret sound with a very distinct kind of nasal ending. Try saying it out loud with me. Ank. You are almost master word detectives now, guys. Let's finish this explainer strong.
I want you to picture a shiny piggy bank. Let's tap out our final core word together. Tap for B. Tap for Ank. Blend it. B, Ank. Bank. Now, pretend to hold a coin in your fingers and drop it into that piggy bank. Clink.
Let's finish up our physical play-along journey by leading a few final actions for this Ank family. Here we go. Tank. Make big swimming motions with your arms. Dank. Pretend to shiver because it's cold and damp. Rank. Stand up straight and march in place.
Wow, you all are absolutely amazing word detectives. You learned so many sounds today, and you moved through those words like total professionals. Seriously, great job. But hey, your mission definitely doesn't end here. Now that you've completed this training module, I want you to take a look around you. So, what does this all mean for your own reading? What other secret sounds are hiding in the books on your shelf right now, just waiting to be discovered? Keep exploring, keep tapping out those sounds, and keep finding the puzzle pieces hiding in every single word. Thanks so much for joining me on this Explainer Detectives, and I'll see you on the next mission.